Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, you'll be cooking dinner with Mom. So I will be showing you guys everything that you need. Some things I already have at home, but I will make sure I put that in the description box below and on the screen so you can see as I cook. But yeah, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make my favorite dish. It's just a concoction that I created myself. You'll need your chicken breast. So without further ado, I'm gonna start cleaning the chicken, and then yeah, I'll just take the camera with me and show you the process. I forgot olive oil. I cook with olive oil. So here are my pieces that I cut up. Also, when it starts to pop, to start cooking, I like to pour a little bit of water in there, and then just gonna cover with a top and let that cook. Now we're waiting for the water to boil for us to throw in the rice. As soon as I start boiling, we're gonna just pour the rice in there. We're about to cut up the onions and the pepper. I'm gonna do 2 red, 1 orange, and 1 yellow, and then I'm gonna slice up some onions, and then yeah. I'm hot, I think it's kind of put the rice in. But yeah, I like to flip my chicken over. Spinach, and then we're going to dump it into the pan with the chicken and the seasoning and the peppers, and then once that starts to cook, then the last thing we'll add is the rice on top, and then we'll like mix it all together, and then voila. I feel bad because I'm not even timed this, but I just know that it's under an hour, so yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment below. If you try it, please let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link everything below. But see you guys in my next video.